Hello, so in today's video I'm going to be creating one of the biggest resin projects that I've ever done before. So using white and red roses among some other smaller decorative pieces of foliage, I'm going to be composing a sort of shallow resin bowl. I got this as a custom order through my Etsy shop, and a man wanted to create an anniversary present for his wife based on their wedding bouquet. I was really excited to get started on this project. I love this sort of inspiration behind a piece, so I was really excited to start by drying out some flowers and getting them ready for the resin. Because I find it so hard to sit still while I'm waiting for things to cure, I decided to start making a second bowl with the leftover materials from the red and white roses. I only did this to have a couple options for the next day when moving forward with this project. I actually didn't continue working on the second bowl that I poured because it turned out that I liked the first one more anyways. So I think I'll finish that at a later date, and I might post that one in my Etsy shop in the future. So after many sandings and top coats, the piece was finally finished. I partially flattened one of the roses and placed that in the center of the bowl and surrounded the edge with white and red petals with some rose leaves as well. I love how red the rose petals stayed in this piece. I think it's such a romantic red, and I'm really excited to send this away across the world to its new home. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.